Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the contact lens. The topics include the contact lens definition, its milestone, and contact lens terminology. First, its definition. Contact lens is an artificial or optical device placed directly in front and adjacent to cornea. As you all know that contact lens is placed in cornea. Okay, so it is also known as contact lens may be defined as a thin lens which is placed directly on the surface of the eye. Other definition we can tell this also. Okay, contact lens may be defined as a thin lenses which is placed directly on the surface of the cornea. Okay, next. For what purpose we are using the contact lens? Contact lens is used for to rectify refractive error. Contact lens is used. That is, as you all know, that myopia, hypermetropia, astigmatism. In order to correct that, we will use spectacles. Some patients they will feel the cosmetic disfigurement by using these spectacles. They will use the contact lens. Okay. Then also for the protection also we are using. Then also improved cosmetic and also for therapeutic purpose also we are using the contact lens. Okay.
1508, Leonardo da Vinci described contact lens. The suggestion that ametropia could be corrected with a water-filled lens placed directly on the eye was made by Leonardo da Vinci. Okay. In 1508, Leonardo da Vinci described contact lens. Okay. Then in 1845, John Herschel attempted for the theoretical application of the contact lens. He was the first person to describe the concept of the cosmetic lenses. So he is considered as a father of contact lens. Okay. So father of contact lens is John Herschel. Okay. Next is 1888. Adolf Fick attempted to develop a contact lens as a corrective lens device. He used glass shells on the rabbit cornea. He made his trial by using glass lens as the lens material. Okay. In 1937, cab lenses was introduced. Cab lenses means cellulose acetate butyrate. In further classes, we will study about the materials of the contact lens. In that topic, we will discuss in detail about the cab lenses. Okay. Next, in 1972, first RGB lens was introduced. It is silicon acrylates. Next, in 1981, first cosmetic extended wear is invented. It is introduced. Okay. That is HEMA. Contact lens terminology. That means terms in related to contact lens. First is blank or button, from which rigid or a soft lens is fabricated. If it is a piece of blank, in this material, we have to develop soft or RGB lenses. Okay, is known as the blank. Okay. Next is semi-finished blank. A blank where the base curve is pre-generated. That is means base curve. In further slides, we will discuss about the base curve. It is a parameter of the contact lens. Okay, and in the blank where the base curve is pre-generated is known as semi-finished blank. Okay. Next is semi-finished lens means a lens has a back and front curve cut. The peripheral curve and edges is not yet fabricated. Okay. Next is finished lens. A lens is ready to worn on the eye. That is the finished lens. Okay. Next is about the key design features or parameter of the contact lens. It is very very important. First one is base curve. Next power. Next lens diameter, peripheral curves, optic zone, central thickness and edge design. It can be remembered by the BPL POCE. Okay, BPL POCE can be remembered by the BPL POCE. It is very very important. Okay, B base curve. Okay, we'll discuss about the base curve next. The picture is very very important. Okay, base curves. You know that as you see in the picture, base curve. This is the base curve of a contact lens. Okay. Base curve or BO is that means back optic zone radius. BCOR means back central optic radius. CPC means central posterior curve. So it is the back curve of the contact lens which contours the front surface of eye. In this diagram, we will understand. It is the back curve of the contact lens. Is the back curve of the contact lens. Sorry. This is the back curve of the contact lens. While we are placing on an eye, it will align with the front surface of the eye. That is, it will align with the cornea. Okay. To achieve a proper fit, the base curve of the contact lens should be aligned with the curvature of the cornea. It's very very important. So a proper fit means correct fit. It is not too tight or too loose. Okay, that is the proper fit. So in order to achieve that, we have to align the base curve with the curvature of the cornea. The base curve is expressed in mm or diopters. For example, 8.1 mm, 8.3 mm, 8.6 mm. In diopters, 44 diopter. Okay, like that, 41 diopter. Okay, like that. In diopter also it is expressing. Okay, next is about the overall diameter. Overall diameter is means what? This picture you will understand is the overall diameter. Drawing picture for you. Overall diameter means if it is a contact lens. If it is a contact lens, central portion is there. So it is the overall diameter of VD. I will write this over video. Okay, it is the overall diameter of the contact lens. It is the overall diameter. Okay, it is specified in mm. It is always specified in mm millimeter. Okay, next. In further classes, we will study about the type of contact lens, soft and RGB. The soft lens diameter is always higher than the RGB, the rigid lens diameter. So, soft lens diameter is 12 to 15 mm. The RGB diameter is 8 to 10 mm. Okay, the diameter depends upon the corneal diameter and palpebral aperture. Okay, the diameter depends upon the corneal diameter and palpebral aperture. Okay, the overall diameter depends upon the corneal diameter and palpebral aperture. Okay, so if it is right. So it will depend upon the diameter, depend upon the corneal diameter, and also the palpebral aperture. Palpebral aperture, as you all know, that the widest portion of the. Okay. So larger the corneal diameter, greater the overall diameter of the lens is figured. If the corneal diameter is greater, the lens diameter should be high. Okay. Okay. Next is about the peripheral curve. The lens with a single base curve is known as monocurve. The lens with two curve is known as bicurve. That is one base curve and one peripheral curve. A lens with three curves is known as tricurve. One base curve and two peripheral curve. The base curve will be always one. Okay. The lens with more than three curves is known as multicurve lens. Okay. Next is about the optic zone. Optic zone is very very important. Okay. The central portion which carries the base curve of the lens is known as the optic zone. Okay. I can draw a diagram for you. Okay. This is the overall diameter OVD, OVD. Here central portion is there. It is known as OZD, optic zone diameter. It is known as the optic zone diameter. This is the peripheral curve width, PCW, PCW. This is the peripheral curve width, okay? Peripheral curve width, okay? It is known as the optic zone, optic zone. The central circular portion where the power of the lens is located. In the optic zone, the power of the lens is located. The optic zone should cover the pupil properly, both in scotopic and mesoscopic vision, in order to avoid the glare and flare problems, okay? Now, in last slides, we studied about the overall diameter. The overall diameter of the RGP is smaller than the soft lens. Like that, optic zone is also like that. The average optic zone diameter in RGP is 7 to 8.5 mm. In optic zone diameter in soft lens is 7 to 12 mm, okay? Next is about the optic zone diameter. It is the diameter of the optic zone specified in millimeter. It is the overall diameter minus peripheral curve. In this diagram, you will understand. Okay. What is mean by diameter of the optic zone is known as optic zone diameter. It is the optic zone diameter. Okay. This is the optic zone diameter. This is the optic zone diameter. In order to get that, we can do one thing. Overall diameter minus peripheral curve, we will get what? Optic zone diameter. Okay. Optic zone diameter. It is always specified in millimeters. Okay. Next is power. Power of the lens. Power of the lens is ground on the front surface of the lens. Higher the power, smaller the optic zone. The plus lens will be thicker in center. Minus lens will be thicker in periphery. As you all know that in lens cases, it is also same. Okay. The central thickness. Central thickness means central thickness of the contact lens is the distance between the anterior and posterior surface of the geometric center of the lens. It is always specified in millimeters. Okay. Thank you.